Welcome back. Now let's discuss the idea of algebraic expression. Okay, so unsa man dining algebraic expression? Bale, for example, what if pangutanon ka, pila ka book ang imong t-shirt? Okay? Pila ka book imong t-shirt. And what if dili kay ka sure kung pila jud ka book imong t-shirt. So, let's just put na you give it wala kayo sure no pero kabalo ka nga maihap na nimo na value for example. So, well, let's call that x. Bale, let's represent your number of shirt no? Number of t-shirts. Bale, mao na ang imuhang number of shirt. No? Your number of shirt, number of t-shirts. Ikaw ang owner. Ikaw ang owner, okay? Now, what if your friend also has, no, gipangutahan na po dyan, pila man kabuk imuhang kuan t-shirt. Then, she said, well, I have y. Y represents a number. Po, dili niya gusto isaba sa, no, number of t-shirts gihapon, pero sa imuhan ning friend. Okay? Sa imuhan ning friend bali. Friend. Now, this represents a variable. This x and this y, these letters or symbols represent a variable which has a value, nasa value nga number, no? Pero dili pa siya wala pa nimo siya gi-reveal. So meaning wala pa nimo gi-reveal nga, well, basin imong t-shirt no, gusto jud ka na secret bali x imong number of t-shirt, but this x has a value. Also this y also has a value. And kung pangutanon mo karon, shall we say, pila man kabuok tanan ng imuhang t-shirt, ang inyuhang t-shirt? Well, you'll say, well, our t-shirts when put together will be x plus y. Meaning, kung pilang imong shirt plus iyang shirt. So this is now a good example of an algebraic expression. Meaning, an expression that contains, well, no, kanike, numbers lang man tanan, no? Ay kanang variables lang tanan. So this is an algebraic expression could either contain numbers and variables or constants. For example, what are constants? I think we know already. For example, I'll put here, shall we say 10. Number of t-shirts of napakaisa ka friend and her name is, shall we say, Anna. Mao ni ang number of t-shirt ni Anna, 10. Yan ang gi-reveal, no? Mura kanang sa mga scores gud sa mga judges na po ko naga-reveal sila scores while the others also kept question mark. But in this case, para ma-identify nato nga kinsa ni nga kuano number of shirt, we put symbols to that. And in this case, if you'll be asked, no, total dahil nila nga kuano number of shirts, and you will say x plus y plus 10. So this is now an algebraic expression which contains a variable, duha ka variable o isa ka constant. Ingana lang bali ang idea sa algebraic expression. Any combination basta na kay gina-add, no? Add, subtract or ingon ana naka-multiply with variables and constant. Kung constant lang, matawag pagyapon na siya nga algebraic expression. Kung variable lang, matawag gihapon. Kung combine na sila, algebraic expression gihapon na siya. Kung patanoon ka, pwede po dili nga nilang ka simple no, naka-add lang ni siya. Pwede gihapon we'll express that what is this? xy or xy or 10xy. So may meaning ana. Well, this is 10 times x times y. This represents what? This is an algebraic expression representing the products. If their number of shirts will be multiplied, mo ni ang product, no? 10 times x plus y. Okay? Ingana lang siya ka simple. Or pwede po, you'll create an algebraic expression that says, well, x squared plus y squared plus 10 squared. Meaning, this is what? The sum of the squares of their number of shirts. Ingon ana lang, no? Ang algebraic expression kay, mura lang siya nag-add ka, nag-multiply, or anything that you do with variables or constant. Ingana lang siya, ingana lang kadali. So, for example, other example could be, well, this one, square root of 2 is an algebraic expression. 5 halves x to the squared, x squared is still an algebraic expression. Tanan, bali nga, kuan. Then, pwede po, kanina nga mga terms na, 5 halves, x squared, plus square root of 2. So anything that you do that involves variables or constants or nag-involve raising to a power, that is called an algebraic expression. As you can see here, this algebraic expression only contains one term. This one also is one term. Kani siya, two terms na ni siya. Meaning, nakay duha ka term mag-i-add. Kani, pila man ni ka term? Three terms ni siya. So, this is what we call monomial. Monomial, meaning mono, meaning isa lang ka buok, no? Ang term niya mong ang imong expression isa lang ka term. Kani siya kay binomial. Then kung kani siya is trinomial or meaning ana nila kana siya multinomial na siya, no? Trinomial bali. Ing ana lang kadali. Okay? And here napud tay mga kuano, natay kanang ginatawag daanin na sa sample kani nga term, sample mabutan tag hatag example na so that we could give name daanin nga mga kuan. For example, this one, 5x. Meaning ani, 5 times x. Kung imong x kay 10, so that will be 50. Kung kani mo expression, kani ang ginatawag nato na variable. Okay, wala mong takabalo pa kung unsa na nga kuan, no? That dili man na siya. Pwede na lain-lain iyang value. This is what we call constant or iyang gitawag nato na siya nga numerical coefficient. Mo ni ang iyang literal coefficient. Mo ni ang variable, mo ni ang constant. And here, for example, you have 5x plus 2x. Pila ka na sila? 5x plus 2x. Well, kani karon, pwede ka mag-add og kuan mga expression as long as they have the same variables or what we call literal coefficient, mga letters, no? So bale, this is simply na kay 5x plus 2x. Ang answer na nila will simply be 7x. Ing ana lang siya kadali. Bali, like terms na sila kay pareho man sila og literal coefficient. Mao ni ang numerical coefficient. Bali, mag-add lang ang numerical coefficient. For example, 5x plus 2x squared. Pila man? Well, ang 5x plus 2x squared, 5x plus 2x squared lang gihapon. Nga naman, di man mo sila pwede i-add ang 5 ug 2 kadi sila pareho og literal coefficient. At sa x ang isa, x squared. Okay? Ingana ang idea. So, bali, kani sila, 5x o 2x squared, these are what we call unlike terms. Dili pwede i-add kaya di sila pareho og literal coefficients. But kung like terms, pwede mo sila i-add. Okay, ingana lang siya kadali. Okay? Ingana lang. Wala lang bali, kuan ba? Wala lang bali. This is very very important, especially if we simplify algebraic expressions. For example, nakaingon ano nga expression ba? 5x plus 2x plus 3x squared plus 2x plus 10x squared. Bali, taas kayo mo expression. Pero, masimplify na nimo na. Kaya nga naman, pwede naman nimo siya kuan 5x plus 2x, 7x dahil na siya. Dahil ang 7x plus 2x, simply, 9x lang dahil na siya. Plus, ang 3x squared plus 10x squared, kay 13x squared lang di ay. So, bali, kung kani siya kataas, pwede ra dahil. I think we really want things to be simple. Anong itaas pa magkatog sulat kung pwede ra dahil masulat dahil siya og bubo. Okay? And also, what if we are subtracting terms or daghan ka, for example, this one, no, minus this term, this expression minus that expression. So how do we show that? Well, kana siyang expression, simple lang kayo, no? X squared plus y squared plus 10 squared minus. So, we introduce here the idea of placing everything with a braces para sumani kani nga term minus kani nga expression minus kana nga expression. So, how do you simplify that? Well, imo na lang i-remove ning mga groupings by in this case by doing some ways. There are a lot of ways to remove the grouping, and in this case I will not be discussing that here, but I will be discussing that on the exercises, not on the example, so that you'll be eager to look at the examples and through padaghan man the examples, no, through that we'll be able to learn a lot on how do we simplify algebraic expressions para ang tagaas na expression ato lang ipamugbo kung pwede pa siya mamugbo. We want to make things simple as they could be. So kana lang ko mastorya no about algebraic expression, and things are just easy. I believe will just be easy. Okay? By the way, natay special name day ani nga kuno. Tawag na to ani kay polynomial katong mga expression nga ang exponent sa mga terms kay positive whole numbers, no? Positive whole numbers atong tawag ana kay polynomial. Okay? Katong ang exponent kay positive whole numbers lang. Ana lang. So, thank you.